Alright guys, welcome back. Now, if you have a scooter of your kids and you want to throw it away, or your niece and nephews like my nephew, don't throw it away. This is what you do. This, you just weld it back together. This is what broken off. Yeah, that broke off of the scooter. As you can see, I've just started doing it. Right, so I am gonna set my welder up. Look at this. It's a lovely welder this is. Does all my work that I need to do. Now, we're gonna earth it out. Run out a bit of daylight, but we can manage. Very Barney manage. Yeah, look at that. I need to try and do it outside the shed, because I don't want no fires. I don't fancy being a fire brigade at the same time as welding. So, we need to see if, like this, over here, there's my welding bottle. There we are. And grab these, tighten up the velvet. Like that. Look at that. Not too tight because you could break it, it's only brass. Or you could defrod it. Metal chalk, right here. That's my new winch. Right, let's get to this. This is what we're welding. There's my mask. Got another one up there. This. I welded this up yesterday. And here. That, I'll tell you what that's for. It's for smashing concrete or getting tyres off of rims. So it's like it's a ram. That's what it is. It hasn't got no handles yet, but I will be putting some on there. So that is another day's job. Today is, or shall I say tonight, this is my new job. Fitting the foot sleigh on the scooter. The footboard. Right. Turn the gas on. There we go. I love this gas bottle. Fucking love it. Yeah, turn a bit up there. Without. Right, it would help if you plug it in. It's plugged in now. And it's switched on. Look at that. Lovely welder, made from Poland. Considering it is made from Poland, I do know how to operate it now, which is good. Right, let's get on it. Let's get on this job here. I don't treat my guns with a load of crap. I need to cut that off. I like a fresh end. See this end bit? Yeah? Cut that off. It's got to be fresh. Right, now I want you to be able to see me welding. So I'm going to put this phone around about here. Right. So yeah, I said this was the back one, and I would say it sits round about there. I would say it sits there. Oh crap, the phone's fell. Right. Oh fuck. Right, then it should be just about right. Let's clamp that onto there. Like that. Grab your mask. Don't forget that. With a brighter light on it. Well, I've made a light. Let's have a look. Ah, why isn't it working? Let's fucking plug this in. Let's plug. Let's go away with that. Fuck the light. I'm running out of daylight. We'll get the fuck the light. Give me this one here. That through there. Ah, fucking phone. That stinks. Fucking hell. That does stink. Alright, that's number one. Welded up. That's number one welded up. As you can see here. That is what you can see. I've welded it fucking. That's in there. Well, I've welded it there. It's a bit too much on the top. As you can see, I just need to sand it down a little bit. But it's not a bad weld really. As you can see, not bad at all. Well, it's not too bad, considering. Well, yeah, right. Get a bit of water. I need to dunk it in some water. Right, here's a bucket. Clip that out. Right. Yeah, look at the smoke coming off of that. Well, that's not too bad, considering the rain's starting to pitch in, which is not a very good thing. Fucking always is what it does is rains. I'm going to click that to there now, grab the other one, which now I've got to unbolt. I've got to unbolt it. Right. I can move that out of the way. Blimey. Here we are. Stick that in there. Need that. Right. All the little washers and that there. All in there. Now we're going to weld up the front one. First of all, we have to sand off the paintwork. Yeah, we have to sand it off with a grinder, this grinder. Just want to take the paint off really of what you want to be welding. Let's get back to it, shall we? Let's get back to it. 13 minutes this film's going on for. I need to get onto it quick. Right. So, when we get this welded up a little quick, got the mask on. Always wear a mask, because otherwise you'll end up with archive. And you don't want that, mate. Don't want to end up with archive. That's dangerous. I don't want archive, and nor would anyone else. So make sure when you're welding stuff like this, you must wear the protective gear. So, therefore, where you stand. Now I'm very good at judgment. I haven't measured this. I'm very good with judgment, I would say. that's it. Done. That's all done. Right. Guys. Righty right. Oh. What a bloody this is, isn't it? Ain't done too bad. There we are, guys. There we are. Right. Now, we're going to take them off. And I'm hoping that this is all going to go back together nicely. Doesn't look very straight, but it is dark. And I did measure it. Back there straight in the front. But doesn't matter. Not when it's red hot. Because straighten it out like that. That might be due to where it's bent where it's broke. There we are, that's nice. Let's turn that off. That in. That's that. Let's hang that up there. Let's unplug that and put that back over there. Like that. That's where that goes. And I'll just get the bottom, the hose. Take the gas off, ready? Let the gas flow out the regulator. Yeah, let the gas out the regulator because I don't like no pressure on that, and then you just release that like that. Angle grinder. I like to make sure my shed's all tidy, so I'll hang that up there like that, you know. I'll just hang that on there, like that. Alright, let's get back to the rebuilding a scooter. I need a fucking voice in this workshop. I did have one, it broke. Heavy-handed, they call that. Right, let's have a look. Wow, wow, wow. You'd never believe this, how spot on that is. I can't believe it. Well, that's brilliant. These nuts and bolts will go back in there now. This is number 1 nut and bolt. This one is number 1 with a large washer on there, like that. Yeah, and it's pretty damn nice with that water. Well, that spanner's not fitting. I need another 10mm. Be a bit of a fucking pain in my ass. No, most of them is in my car for breakdown purposes. Here we are. Here's a little 10mm. Yep, this is my nephew's little bike, scooter. And I'm fixing it for him so he then can go back out on his scooter. Right, let's have this one up in here. Look at that. Look at that, how good that is, eh? King, oh look at that. How good that is, that fits. Sweet. Alright. Those. Alright. Okay. That's a little bit out on that side for some reason. All the other nuts and bolts apart from one. It's a little bit out. It fucking twisted, didn't it, when I welded the first bit. But we'll get into sorting that. Right. Here we are, guys. We're getting there very slowly. Right, I need to somehow wrench that one in there. Fucking the back bit ain't going up. Not as good as the front. Where's my little tiny standy blade? I'll show you the reason why in a minute. Fucking blade broke. Right. Wire cutters, that'll do it. That'll do the fucking job. Screwdriver. There we are. And that should be just about right. Should be able to get this other bolt in there now. Okay. It's telling me the metals that needs to be bent out of that. Fucking bolt won't come out now. Piece of crap. Right. Right. There we are. That's that sorted. I'll hold of that. I got hold of that fine and dandy. What we'll do is we'll put this nut on to help with the bolt come through, and then we'll put the washer on in a minute. Oh, you little bastard. This fucking tight old fucking screws. Nuts and bolts on that. And there's the washer. Done. Right. Now this is how you repair a scooter for your nephew or any of your kids that own scooters. This is how you repair. That was just a little quick tip for you guys. Do not throw them away. Not when you can repair them like that. Look at that. Do you like that, guys? Huh? Now that one there is a little bit out, but it was a bit of annoying. I need to try and bring it back a little bit. Yeah, it's better. Sunk in the hole a little bit more. It doesn't really matter. I mean, 3 of them's dead on, so the 4th one might be a little bit out. As you know, guys, I like to weld in the dark. It's really dark out here, that. On the floor, it's really dark when you're welding. It's not good for the mask, because you can't see. You need a bit of daylight to see. I should have done it in the daytime, but I've been so busy doing other stuff. So guys, I'm going to let you go on this video, and I will catch up with you on the next one very shortly. And I'll see you in a bit. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching. Subscribe, notification, thumbs up. And I'll see you all very shortly on the next video. Could be the same thing, welding, could be anything. See you in a bit.